Welcome back to English Practice.
Learn 10 useful English words. Perfect for beginners who want to improve their daily English vocabulary. Squeeze. Squeeze. She squeezed the lemon into her tea. He squeezed her hand tightly. Press. Press. Please press the button. She pressed the shirt with an iron. Wring. Wring. He wrung the towel after washing it. She wrung her hands nervously. Crush. Crush. Don't crush the flowers. The car was crushed in the accident. Broken. Broken. My phone is broken. The chair is broken, don't sit on it. Crack. Crack. The glass cracked when I poured hot water. There is a crack in the wall. Scratch. Scratch. The cat scratched the sofa. I have a small scratch on my arm. Smash. Smash. He smashed the window with a ball. The glass fell and smashed into pieces. Crumple. Crumple. He crumpled the paper and threw it away. The shirt was crumpled in the bag. Chipped. Chipped. My cup is chipped. He has a chipped tooth.